Once we start working with QuickBooks company files, it's handy to know what the file extensions are. For example, Excel files like this one have a file extension of .xlsx. This helps you to know what type of file this is. And notice the Word document ends in .doc. So it can be very handy to see file extensions, but they are typically hidden by default. So what we want to be able to do for QuickBooks is we want to be able to see which of these files ends in .qbw. QBW means QuickBooks Working Copy. So we will find out later that if you can find the .qbw file, you can double click it as a shortcut to open the file. These other files that do not end in .qbw, like this one, .nd and .tlg, you cannot double click those. So now my file extensions are currently visible. I will show you how to turn them on or off, also known as hiding them or unhiding them. Now this view that I'm looking at, my folders, is called Windows Explorer. There's a couple ways to open Windows Explorer, and here they are. My favorite is the keyboard shortcut Windows plus E. So if I hold down the Windows key, also known as the Start key, and E, Windows E, Windows Explorer, it will open up Windows Explorer for you. So once we have Windows Explorer open, we're going to go up to File, left click on it, we're going to choose Options, then click on View, and down here notice there's a option to hide extensions for known file types. So this is off. So right now, because this is off, it's not hiding the file extensions. That's why I can see the .qbw. So I'm going to click on it and then close it. So now it should hide this .qbw. But we don't want that. We want to be able to see the extensions. So if your view is currently like this, we need to turn it back on. So we left click on File, go to Options, click on View, and we're going to uncheck Hide Extensions for known file types. And then it's going to show that .qbw extension. And so we're going to, for the rest of the quarter, we're going to leave that setting as it is so that we can see these extensions. And again, like I said earlier, the reason we want to know this is we're going to find out that a shortcut way to open up the QuickBooks file is to find the one that ends in .qbw, not .nd or .tlg, and we could double click this file to open the file. That's the student's favorite way to open files in this class.